We were studying about the verbs and their kinds. We have done this activity. I had sent you this activity's answers with this video also. Now I am moving to the second type of the verbs, and it is on the basis of object. Means we will check if there is an object with the verb or not. So on that basis we can say there are two types of verbs: transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. Transitive means when there is an object with the verb. Now object can be direct object or indirect object. In Hindi also you read it by the name Sakarmak Kriya and Akarmak Kriya. You must have studied in earlier class also. Transitive with the object. Now how to find out object? Simple method is the object will give you the answer of two questions: what or whom. What answers the direct object and whom tells about the indirect object. Check the example. In this sentence, the shopkeeper sold some articles later than their expiry date. Shopkeeper sold some articles. Here sold is the verb and sold what? Some articles. So answer of what is some articles. So this is object of the verb sold. Sold is the verb and sold what? Some articles. So some articles is object. Another example: the headmaster appointed my friend the monitor of the class. Headmaster appointed. Appointed is the verb. Appointed what? The monitor. It is direct object. And here you have also indirect. He appointed whom? Appointed my friend. So here we have two objects in this sentence which are giving you the answer of whom and what, both. Appointed whom? My friend. Appointed what? The monitor. So these are the objects here, my friend and the monitor. So in this way you will see that these verbs are transitive verbs as they have objects. Now intransitive, simply when you don't have any object with the verb, those verbs are intransitive verb. Example: she smiled on seeing him. She smiled. Now you cannot answer ki she smiled what. We don't have answer of this question here. So we don't have object. She smiled, it is only intransitive verb. She has been working overtime to make ends meet. Here also she has been working overtime, but you cannot answer she has been working what or she has been working whom. You don't have answers of these 2 points, what and whom. So again it is intransitive verbs. The sun is shining brightly. The sun is shining, but sun is shining what? Or the sun is shining whom? You cannot answer. Brightly is not the answer of what, it is answer of how, remember. So here also we don't have object, so these are intransitive verbs. I hope now you understood this concept of transitive and intransitive verbs. Okay, now this activity you have to answer. You have to tell whether these underlined verbs are transitive or intransitive. Okay, I'll send you answers tomorrow. Thank you. That's all. Bye.